Little update, guys, on the alarm. He had an alarm on here, and I kind of I found the problem on here. Why the alarm isn't working? First of all, it's an Omega Excalibur alarm. I don't know if you can focus in on that, but for one, it was the fuse, and that was like melted. It was melted and blown, so I had to cut that out, put a new fuse and fuse holder in there for the alarm, and then it's working. And siren right here, like rusted out right there, as you can see, and it broke off. So what I just did is I re-grounded in the inside, sent the new ground and siren wire out, and changed that fuse holder, and everything should start working. I think it got a remote start on here too. So let me go get this siren. I had a siren laying in the house, so that works out perfect. I didn't have to buy nothing, so I'm gonna install this siren and then see what we get on the alarm remote start. Is everything working? All right. Okay, guys, you can see I mounted a new siren right there. Everything is working now. Yeah, well, you might mount the siren, try to make bouncing down so it'll echo off of stuff, so to make it louder. Then you don't want to have to worry about no moisture getting in it either, like no water sitting in there. I've seen people mount sirens like upside down, you know, they ruins the siren, but just mount it facing like down, so you don't have to worry about no water fluids getting in it. So yeah. Hit the remote start. Okay, let's see if it's going again. We're gonna probably have to program it. See if it's gonna start. Usually if it don't start the first time, it should start again. Probably have to program it like I said. Let's see if it's gonna start. Okay, there we go. It's trying to start again. Okay, there we go. Yeah, guys. Another bonus. Fix the alarm and remote start on it. You know, and this ain't bad considering what I paid for the Blazer. If you go back and look at my other videos, you'll see how I started it, you know, with the inside, how I had to get it running, you know. And I guess it's a gem, you know. Found a lot of stuff the previous owner didn't find. Probably was in a rush or probably just gave up on it, but yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out.